Clean and care for the upholstery of the treatment center. Be sure to wipe the upholstery dry to remove excess cleaning agent. Remember to clean the working stools. Replace the cotton roll on the turbine hose. Slide the container on the turbine hose down and remove the cotton roll. Insert a new cotton roll and slide the container back up. If the unit includes the option of chemical suction hose cleaning, the drainage lines of the cuspidor need to be cleaned. If the treatment center includes this option, the drainage lines of the cuspidor must be cleaned weekly. Use the agent for the suction lines for this. Prepare the cleaning solution as per the manufacturer's instructions and pour this in the cuspidor. Allow the cleaning solution time to work in the unit. Note the manufacturer's instructions in terms of exposure time. Then, rinse out the cleaning solution. For this, pour at least 1 liter of water into the cuspidor. Regularly cleaning the foot control will help improve its functionality and operating life. Clean the underside of the foot control with a moist cloth. Pull the suction handpiece off the suction hoses and take apart at the joints. Grease the O-rings on the suction handpieces.